tips for healthy and shining skin. Tip 1. Drink water. Water has long been considered as the most efficient natural treatment or an almost free treatment for any skin condition because of its being alkaline, with pH 7.3. It prevents dehydration, which is capable of producing sebum or oil from the sebaceous glands. Your skin needs water in order for it to function best, thus doctors and nutritionists suggest that a daily intake of between 6 to 8 glasses of water per day is highly needed. Tip 2. Watch your diet. Nutrition plays a vital role in skin health too. Specific foods such as those acidic foods and dairy products are said to be effective in causing an allergic reaction in some people. Also, one of the widely debated topics in the area of nutrition today is chocolates. Some say that chocolate does affect the condition of the skin, while others say it doesn't. Whatever the result may be, the best advice is just to follow a nutritious diet that has a number of fresh fruits and green leafy veggies, as well as fiber. Tip 3. Consider exfoliants. Many experts say that exfoliating your skin is another great way to attain a beautiful skin. So, try to invest in a good body exfoliant, or loofah, as it is commonly called, as it is capable of eliminating the dead skin cells from your body. Accordingly, this should be done once or twice a week so to free the skin to breathe. What's more, exfoliants help to put off ingrown hair from developing. However, it is essential to avoid using any body exfoliant on the skin on the face. The main reason for this precaution is that the facial tissue is more sensitive and finer than those tissues of the body. Tip 4. Consider a healthy routine for facial care. When it comes to facial skin care, getting into a healthy beauty routine is not bad. Most of the doctors today greatly suggest that you cleanse, moisturize and tone your skin twice every day. When cleaning, never fail to remember cleaning the area on the neck, including your face. Apply a moisturizer or neck cream after. Before going to bed at night, always bear in mind to remove all makeup. Clean your skin before you sleep, no matter how tired you may feel. It was found out that during the night, the skin goes through a process of elimination and cannot breathe properly if it is clogged with makeup. And, you may also find out that sleeping with your makeup on will cause your skin to break out with spots on it. When it comes to shaving for men, some men may experience shaving rashes. For many, these rashes lower their self-esteem, but this is actually not a big problem to think about. There are a lot ways to avoid rashes. Perhaps one of the best is to make sure that when shaving, the razor strokes are following the direction of hair growth. That's simply it. Tip 5. Heal your feet. When it comes to skin care, the feet are often neglected. So, if you found no time for a professional pedicure, try to fill a football or basin with warm water and add your favorite essential oil. Soak your feet for about 15 minutes. Then, dry them and apply a rough skin remover onto them. Rinse this off and dry your feet well. And, if you consider pedicure, simply add some body cream to your feet for an easy and quick fix pedicure. Tip 6. Avoid too much exposure to the sun. One of the most common precautions when it comes to skin care is avoiding too much exposure to the sun. As you may know, overexposure to sunlight causes sunburn. So, while current sunblocks only block out the UVB rays and still let in harmful UVA rays, it is still wise to cover up before venturing into the hands of Apollo. If possible, use a wide-brimmed hat while tending your garden to keep the sun from your face. Tip 7. Exercise. Aside from considering a healthy diet, exercising your body also helps keep your skin healthy. Note that a proper exercise does not only keep the body fit by regulating the oxygen, it also improves the glow of the skin as well. Tip 8. Take enough rest. One common problem that face people is stress, the one which is not normal. It was found out that when a person is stressed, the adrenal cortex converts adrenal androgens to the hormone testosterone in male and female, which in turn results in overactive sebaceous glands. These adrenal androgens are released, causing a double amount of testosterone, causing the face to be oily, while other areas of the body are still dry from dehydration. So, taking proper rest that includes 6 to 8 hours of undisturbed sleep daily is the best way to rejuvenate the skin. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.